it possible to play League of Legends with the macOS Mojave? If you want to know everything, stay tuned after the intro. Hi everyone, welcome to MacPack, where we unpack your next product. And hey, if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. On this channel we only talk about technology, so if you like this type of content, I hope to see you in the next one. So first of all, this video will be very small because few of you guys ask me, is it possible to play League of Legends with the macOS Mojave installed on your computer? Because it was more than one person asking for the same question, I decided, okay, maybe there are more persons searching for that, so let's do a video about it. So I installed the League of Legends. I never played League of Legends in all my life, and I installed on my computer, and I think it will continue in that way. So what I'm saying is basically I installed in my computer League of Legends. It took a while, it was giving me some errors. I'm going to show you during the time that we are talking about it. I played just the first part, it was working, but after it starts crashing. When I was using the mouse, it starts jumping everywhere. So if you want an honest opinion, and like I said to you guys, this is a very quick video. I don't recommend at all to install the macOS Mojave if you play League of Legends. The experience is horrible, it's not possible to play, because it arrived in the moment I thought, okay, let me retry this once again, but it was always crashing, and I definitely don't recommend at all that you play League of Legends with the macOS Mojave. So if you are thinking to update your computer to the macOS Mojave, I really recommend you to don't install the macOS Mojave, otherwise you're going to be stressed, and after you have all that work that you have to reinstall the old version, so the High Sierra. So I hope that I answer your questions, and I hope that you are happy with that, because I've done this video just for a few of you guys that asked me to do this video about the macOS Mojave with the League of Legends. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you don't have subscribed until now. Share this video with your family and friends, comment below, smash the thumbs up, and like I said in all my videos, you already know the answer. I see you in the next one!